Come test drive the 2011 Escalade. A full-size luxury SUV, the Cadillac Escalade stands for A-list style. Thrilling, yet effortless performance combined with advanced luxury and technology that's on the leading edge of the industry makes the Escalade an easy choice and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, power lift gate, premium wheels, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.